In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight today's date in Google Sheets. This is a handy skill that allows you to easily spot the current date among a range of data, which can be particularly useful for tracking or organizing activities over time. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process. First, you'll want to open up Google Sheets and navigate to the particular spreadsheet you're working on. Once you have your sheet open, you're going to identify the column or range of cells that contain date values, which you want to dynamically highlight for today's date. Now, let's get into the heart of things. Head on over to the menu and click on Format. Then draw your eyes down the drop-down until you see Conditional Formatting. Give that a click, and it will open up a new pane on the right-hand side of your screen titled Conditional Format Rules. In this Conditional Format Rules pane, you'll see an option to choose a range. Enter the range of cells that contain the dates you are working with. If your dates are, let's say, in column A, starting from row 2 through row 100, you'd enter something like A2A100 in the range field. Next, you'll need to set the condition, and this is where the magic happens. Change the format cells if drop-down menu to Custom Formula is. Here's the crucial part. You'll type in a formula that allows Google Sheets to check whether the date in each cell is today's date. The formula you're going to use is A2 today. Ensure you replace A2 with the starting cell of your date list if different. After entering the formula, it's time to decide how you want the cell to stand out. You'll scroll down a bit and choose a formatting style that suits your needs. Most people prefer to bold the font or change the background color. Choose a color that stands out but isn't overwhelming, like a light pastel or something easy on the eyes. Once you're satisfied with the format rules, hit Done, and you'll see your spreadsheet update. The cells containing today's date should now be highlighted with your selected formatting, making it easy to spot the current day among all other dates. Remember, this highlighting will automatically adjust as days go by. Each day, today's date will be the one standing out, ensuring you always have a clear view on which day is today, without needing to manually update anything. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Google Sheets to automatically highlight today's date. Hopefully, this quick tutorial will make managing and organizing your data a breeze. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.